my channel. I am... Sophia is...
I know, I'm the one that has to go.
Hi y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in a different kitchen because I am home for Thanksgiving. Super excited to be back. And so I am doing this video with both of my sisters. I'm doing it with my sister Morgan and with my youngest sister Sophia. And Sophia is the one who actually gave me this recipe, so it is a nice, quick, sweet drink. It is called the Kissed Caramel Apple Cider Cocktail. It doesn't take that many ingredients, and since we are all of age, we are all going to show you how we do it. I'm going to hand it over to Sophia, and she's going to start it off.
Okay. So, we're going to start with what you're going to need for the recipe. First, you're going to need Smirnoff's Kissed Caramel Vodka. You're gonna need, for this recipe, you're gonna need 3 ounces of that. And then you're also going to need apple cider. And you're just gonna need 1 cup of that.
Yeah, and you can get your apple cider from anywhere. We ended up getting ours from Walmart, so the brand that we used is this one right here. But I know, especially during this holiday season, they've got apple cider everywhere. Doesn't really matter.
Okay. Let's go.
So what's next?
So basically what you want to do is you're gonna take your measured apple cider, your 1 cup, and you're gonna want to warm it up in your pot. And when you warm it up, you make sure you want to like keep a good temperature on it. I usually put mine a little bit between like the low and medium setting, so that it's not too hot, and you just watch it. Yeah, it's really not a hard recipe at all. So you just have to watch your temperature on your apple cider. And once that's done, you're going to take your vodka. You're going to open that up. Okay. And one of these is 2 ounces, and we need 3. Ooh. Yep, a little strong.
You only put in 2. How many are you supposed to put in?
I'm putting 3.
Oh.
A little more.
Oh,
You put in a little more than 3?
Don't even worry about it.
Oh, wow. Alright, we're gonna close that up.
Oh, wow.
And while that finishes warming up, you don't need an apple, but you can add it to be cute if you're gonna host some people as a garnish. And you're just gonna slice that up like you would like a lemon wedge for the finished product. Let's see how it will look, because these are a little thick. Oh my god, I broke the apple. I broke the apple.
You've had one job.
Okay. Look.
You said little kid.
You know, I think we do though.
Hey Milo, would you like a drink?
No.
He says I don't
Maybe
drink alcohol, so thank you for that.
We don't put one on? I think we do. Okay, whatever. So let's pour that in here now. Getting close.
Ooh.
Okay, well. I knew you were gonna do that. I knew you were going to do that.
If you want a little extra apple. If you want a little extra apple.
Well, to make it look cute, since Morgan messes everything up. It's hot. You don't hold, you have to be fancy and hold the glass down here.
Who holds a glass like that?
People who are rich.
Well, then
You're being a little
out.
rough
One
with me.
pinky out.
Pinky.
I don't want it to burn me.
It's hot.
I know. Ice cube.
No.
Ice cube.
No.
Okay, and just like that, we have finished the cocktail. How does it taste?
I can't drink much. It's
Pretty
too hot.
good. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Always good. Festive.
Best.
Not too bad, Sophia.
That's
Not too
what we're
bad.
going for. So yeah, just something that's nice, quick. It'll be great for everybody in your family or all your friends that are of age. And with that, let's finish up all of the rest of the drink that we have. Alcohol. Yeah, y'all drink. I'm just gonna eat this apple.